NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Alan Sealls, certified most accurate forecast by Weather Rate.
The Atlantic Ocean is becoming more active as we approach the middle of August. There is Tropical Storm Fred, a very small, weak storm that has not strengthened. Well to the east of it is another tropical disturbance. We'll talk about that in just a moment. What you need to know about Fred, right now it is right in the middle of the Dominican Republic. It moved onshore this afternoon. Maximum wind, 40 miles an hour. It's not a big system, it's not a strong system. The fact that it's over land means less water to feed it. It also means the friction should weaken it. So even though it's a minimal tropical storm now, it likely becomes a tropical depression tonight and stays a weak storm as it brushes the coast of Cuba and then enters the Gulf of Mexico or directly strikes South Florida as we start our weekend. You notice multiple models here. Some go a lot farther northward quicker simply because some models move the system more swiftly, others move it more slowly. We are still at the tail end of this forecast cone. In the big picture, not a lot has changed. You see these wind projections of 40 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour for the next 2 days. And then as it gets closer to the Florida Keys, winds will likely start to pick up in the circulation, potentially making a direct strike on Florida, keeping winds closer to, say, 40, 50 miles an hour. But if it stays in the Gulf, winds could easily get to 60 miles an hour, plus or minus 10 to 15 as we approach Sunday and Monday. And we are all in the 5th day of the forecast cone. Again, models have readjusted. New data today means a different projection. Right now, the most likely scenario is the bulk of this storm will remain to our east in terms of impact. Now, this is a rain projection with 4, 5, 6 inches of rain projected across South Florida in the next 5 to 7 days. So back out to the bigger picture, an active Pacific Ocean, a very small tropical storm Fred, and then farther eastward is Invest 95L, another tropical disturbance that will take that path toward the west, approaching the Caribbean in the next 4 to 5 days. It's 50-50 that it will develop. Now that's Invest 95L. You know what an invest is? It's in something that's being investigated to see if it's going to form. But that number seems a little odd. It turns out that invests don't start at 1 every year. They cycle from 90 to 99, then they start back over. And the whole purpose of that is so a computer can track it, and it's shared worldwide. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to most people, but they all use that same set of numbers, just a digital database. The L is for Atlantic, and sometimes you'll see an invest with an E, that would be Eastern Pacific, C for Central Pacific, and W for Western Pacific. Now, while you watch Invest 95L, which would be way down here on Hurricane Road, remember, we've got to watch what's going on Today Avenue and Tomorrow Street, which would be the potential for Fred to come here. So don't worry about what's way out there. Focus on what is right in front of you. Right now at Gulf Shores, we've got a quiet afternoon, 86 degrees. Humidity is moderate. Our local weather was really wet this morning. Now all of that has moved inland for the evening. We'll still see a few thunderstorms tonight, but not too many. Tomorrow's forecast, basically like today. By the middle of the day, thunderstorms pop up. In the afternoon, the sky opens up. Here's your 7-day tracker. As we keep on tracking Fred, we'll keep that same 40 to 50% rain coverage through the weekend and temperatures in the lower 90s.